Hi friends, today I am going to talk about Vastu Shastra. I have spoken about Vastu related remedies in many of my live sessions, but today I am going to talk about what is Vastu, and this is my first video on Vastu. If you like my video, please support my channel, and I am going to make many other videos on this science, because I believe that this is what really help people in achieving their desires, bringing health and happiness to their home and their families. So Vastu Shastra is an ancient science which teaches the importance of aligning our energy with the energy field of all the objects around us. It is science of architecture. This knowledge is given to us by great ancient sage Mayan, who is from south of India, and Shri Vishwakarmaji, who is from north of India. So basically the principles of Vastu Shastra in south of India and in north of India may differ slightly, but basically they both are teaching us the same, almost similar principles of balancing 5 elements, which is Panchatattva. So by balancing 5 elements in our environment, we can have a better life, more harmonious life, healthy body, and there is more harmony and peace we may experience in our lives. So this is why Vastu Shastra is very important to know about it and to practice it in our day-to-day life. In Vastu, we deal with 3 types of energy fields, namely cosmic, which is about cosmos, planets, astrology, our astrological charts, and it discusses basically what is best for us. If we look at our charts, and which is called all the planets are controlling one direction, and if we look at our charts, we can clearly see which zone must be giving trouble in our home, because whatever alignments are malefic in our charts, the same zones are going to be imbalanced in our home also. So if we correct those zones, those planets won't give us so malefic result. They will be basically inactivated in a way. So we will get less harm from them, from that malefic alignment. So this is cosmic energy field. The second is structural structural energy field, which is related to architecture and the objects placed inside the building or wherever we are living, our area, our environment. So it is discussing with the energy field which is around us, immediately around us, structural. Okay. And the third is telluric. We all know that our planet Earth is a sphere, oblate spheroid. Basically it's slightly ovalish, but basically it's bhugol, that's why we call it. So it's goal, it's a sphere, and we are living on the surface of it. So under it, inside it, it's hollow inside, in the center, but there is an energy field inside. There is rocks inside, and there is metals inside, there are stones inside, crystals inside. So there is also an energy field inside which affect us, and we call it geopathic stress. In our homes, if we get it, we really can suffer health issues, and there will be kind of people can become suicidal also because of geopathic stress. There will be no harmony in the house, and even I have noticed and I have heard, I have learned from my gurus that spirit attacks is also there when there is geopathic stress in the home, in anybody's property or in anybody's home. So these 3 energy fields Vastu Shastra teaches us how to deal with. So okay, other than this, according to Vastu Shastra principles, we have to create a balance in between 5 elements, namely earth, air, fire, water and space. So Panchatattva, these are 5 elements, or we call them Panchatattva. Every planet controls a direction, like Sun controls east, Mars controls south, Saturn controls west, Mercury controls north, Jupiter and Ketu northeast, Moon northwest and Rahu southwest. These main directions, 4 main directions, north and south and east and west, and 4 cardinal directions, northwest, northeast, southeast and southwest. These 8 directions are very important. If we have some kind of imbalance here, or we have some kind of issues here, no matter what remedy we do, it is not going to really help us. So we have to do something solid regarding any problem in these zones. Other than this, there are another 8 zones which are sub-direction, which are in between these zones also. So like north-northwest, north-northeast, north-northeast and northeast and east-northeast, and here west-southwest, southwest and west-southwest, southwest and west. So here we have to be very careful. We shouldn't have any toilet or drain or sewerage, and northeast and northeast and east-northeast, because this is the most sacred axis of our home. It's like our backbone, you know. So and the Brahmastan is in the center. So Brahmastan we can't control anyway, and we shouldn't have any weight there, or we shouldn't have any damage in Brahmastan, because it will really give lot of problem to our stomach area, and we can have lot of issues. So these things we have to learn and we have to understand, and in our chart we have to understand the directions and what zone which planet is controlling and how we can balance it. So Vastu is very, very important. It is as important as astrology, and in fact I think it's more important than that also, because it can really help us in being more happy. So this is one thing. And another thing, so to have a more peaceful, healthy and happy life, we must create a more balanced energy flow in our environment with the help of principles of Vastu Shastra. So for today I think this is enough. I'm sure you all know about it, and I think from here we start, and let's take it to more advanced stages later on. Now I want to describe a little bit in Hindi also. I have tried writing it down, I hope you all like it. वास्तुशास्त्र हमारी हिंदू वैदिक संस्कृति का वैज्ञानिक तथ्यों पर आधारित एक प्राचीन ज्ञान है। इसका उद्देश्य प्रकृति और हमारे वातावरण में सामंजस्य स्थापित करना है। वास्तुशास्त्र वो ज्ञान है जो हमारे घर, भवन, किले या किसी भी मंदिर, गांव, शहर, विद्यालय, तालाब, बगीचा की ऊर्जा को हमारी ऊर्जा के साथ सकारात्मक प्रकार से संरेखित करने का ज्ञान देता है। वास्तु ज्ञान को हम तक लाने का श्रेय दक्षिण भारत में महान ज्ञानी संत श्री महायान जी को दिया जाता है, और श्री विश्वकर्मा जी को उत्तर भारत में इसका श्रेय दिया जाता है। वास्तुशास्त्र के सिद्धांत हमारे वातावरण या प्रतिवेश को समृद्ध और शांत बनाने के लिए अत्यंत प्रभावशाली पाए गए हैं। आज के दौर में भी देखा जा रहा है कि कोई भी घर या भवन जिसको वास्तु के सिद्धांतों के अनुसार नहीं बनाया गया है, वहाँ लोगों को कई तरह की समस्याओं का सामना करना पड़ता है, जैसे कि परिवार में आपसी मतभेद, बीमारियाँ, अकाल मृत्यु, धन की कमी, शिक्षा की कमी इत्यादि इत्यादि। हमें वास्तु ज्ञान के माध्यम से 3 प्रकार की ऊर्जाओं के क्षेत्र को इस प्रकार से संभालना है कि वो हमारी ऊर्जा और सभी वस्तुओं की ऊर्जा के साथ संरेखित हो जाए, अलाइन हो जाए। ये 3 ऊर्जा क्षेत्र हैं। पहला ऊर्जा क्षेत्र है ब्रह्मांड, और उससे रिलेटेड है ज्योतिष शास्त्र और ग्रह, उनका हमारे जीवन में प्रभाव। दूसरा है संरचनात्मक या रचना संबंधी, जिसे स्ट्रक्चरल कहते हैं, और तीसरा है स्थलज या पृथ्वी के भीतर की ऊर्जा, जिसे हम टेल्यूरिक एनर्जी फील्ड भी कहते हैं। और इसके अलावा हमें पंच तत्व, जिनको हम भगवान कहते हैं, वो हैं, उनको बैलेंस करना आना चाहिए, उनके बीच में सामंजस्य स्थापित करना आना चाहिए, संतुलन क्रिएट करना आना चाहिए, संतुलित रूप से सर्जन करना समझना चाहिए। ये पंच तत्व हैं भगवान। भ से भूमि, ग से गगन, व से वायु, अ से अग्नि और न से नील। सो इसके बाद की आगे की जानकारी मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में दूंगी। आई होप यू ऑल लाइक दिस वीडियो। इफ़ यू डू प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड सपोर्ट, एंड लेट्स टेक इट टू अनदर लेवल, एंड वी ऑल कैन लर्न टुगेदर एंड मेक our life healthier, happier, prosperous. So all the best. Take care. God bless you.